in Budapest, Hungary. I'm the author of this travel guide. It's one of the Hunter travel guides called Hungary. If we take a look at this square and down over to my right, there will be a small street that heads out to the promenade, which follows the river of the Danube. And you can walk down the promenade to many restaurants and cafes. But on the other hand, you also have another choice. You can walk directly in the other direction from the exit, and you will head to what is called Váci út. Váci út is a very famous street here in Hungary. It's a great shopping street, and it's used by numerous people to do their shopping. Upscale, yes, but you can find just about everything you want to find that's Hungarian along that street, if you're willing to pay the price, of course, as a tourist. It's also filled with many restaurants and numerous cafes. If we were to circle around, over in the opposite side of the square, we can see a department store, the Luxus department store, which was built in 1911.